Get rid of blackheads fast with this home remedy. If you are prone to blackheads and want something that is quick and painless, then we have good news for you. An effective deal pack to clean blackheads. Here is what you need: mint toothpaste, small bowl to mix, spoon to mix, some ice cubes. Method: squish out about 2 tablespoons of toothpaste in a mixing bowl. Mix 1 tablespoon of salt in the toothpaste. Mix salt and toothpaste well to form a paste. Wet your face and then apply this paste on the affected area, eye, chin and nose. Let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes. You will probably feel a tingling sensation, but don't worry, it's normal, and it will pass away after a few minutes. After 10 minutes, wet your fingers and gently massage the area with 2 fingers in circular motion. Be gentle so you don't harm your skin. Now rinse your face thoroughly with warm water. To close facial pores, take 1 ice cube and rub it on your face. It will close the pores and will prevent the entry of dirt. Some quick tips: do not apply this mixture close to eye area as the vapors of mint toothpaste can cause irritation to eyes. The nose can appear red initially, but it's normal. If you have dry skin, hydrate it thoroughly. Clean your face thoroughly after finishing the procedure to get rid of the paste. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.